Hi guys, quick review about this set of measuring spoons. I think it starts with 1/64, then 32, then 16, then 8, then 1/4 of a teaspoon. What I like here is that they are made from one piece of metal. That's always a good thing compared to some mixed options. What I also like is that we have some large description directly printed here. With some of the spoons it's difficult to read somewhere here in the front. They are connected together, but you can take them apart if you like. They arrived like that in this packaging, then another packaging. And of course, you want to know how accurate they are. This is a very accurate scale. And so I'm measuring some baking soda, 1/64. Let's try if we can grab some, remove the excess stuff here. Now let's see if we can measure that. Put it here. And if that is correct, it should be, as far as I know, most are saying 0.077, and we have a 0.07. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. That was definitely the most difficult task. Now let's try with 1/32 of a teaspoon, and this should be 0.154. Let's see. Did we get everything? Yeah, definitely very close. I mean, that's super difficult to measure for such a scale, 1/100 of a gram. Usually this scale is really doing a great job. I mean, these numbers are the weight at high density, so probably here inside it's not very dense, so the 0.14 grams could be absolutely perfect. It has to be somewhere in between, so definitely totally makes sense. Maybe as a quick last test, let's do 1/4 of a teaspoon, removing excess here as well. So I think we have it nice and straight. 1/4 of a teaspoon should be somewhere in between of 1.04 and 1.23. We have a 1.28. I think there was a little bit in the back. Maybe scale off a little bit or whatsoever, but it's definitely not far away from an absolute perfect measurement. I mean, I would say this is as close as it gets. If you're worried about 0.01 or 2 something grams, then maybe you have to look for something else other than that. I would say this is absolutely perfect, absolutely awesome. Don't see any real problems at all, so you can definitely go with this set, and that's what I'm also doing. I definitely keep it and keep using it. And so it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. By the way, I'm also adding the link to this interesting scale because it's only $10, and this set was also below $5, and that's not a sponsored review. I paid full price. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with either this measuring spoon set or this scale, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.